Hello, Dr. Jen here, and today I want to review and kind of talk about a product that I've really been wanting to try. It is an electric kitchen composter. So the one that I have down here, I think it's pronounced Fylecen. It is, I'll put the Amazon link in the description here, but it is 4 liters and I got it on Prime Day, so they can be kind of pricey, but this is one of the cheaper ones that I found and it had really good reviews. Sitting on top of it is my just little composter that I have, so throughout the week I collect scraps, and then when I have enough to put in here, I put them in there. I've been playing around with it a little this week and already, spoiler alert, I love it. It does take some time. It basically dehydrates the food, but then it turns it into a soil that you can use for your houseplants, or it's summer here and we are gardening, so it's really been useful. What's cool about the one that's on top is it actually hooks on to a kitchen cabinet. So I have it down here, if you can see. I just kind of tuck it away there, and then when I'm ready to make my next batch, I open it up and pour it in. So I'm just going to show you. It's got this little basket in here like this, and it's got some blunt blades that just kind of churn it around as everything's heating up. So there's a manual setting that you can put whatever time you want, but the automatic is about 6 hours. So I'll show you how this thing is actually pretty neat too. You can lift it up to put your scraps, or you can pull it forward so that it stays open. I'll put the link for this one in there as well. Okay, so I got a lot of kitchen goodies in here. I believe you can even put like meat and other kitchen scraps that you usually cannot compost. But for me, I've just got a bunch of vegetable scraps. So we're gonna fill it up. Here. There's eggs, there's onions, there's coffee grounds, all kinds of good stuff is going in there. And then I'll let you see. Okay, so that's what we're working with to start. And then over on the side, there are these little carbon filters. So it's got just little pieces of, it's got just little carbon pellets. There's a small one and a large one, and you just fill those up, and then once it's all in there, it's ready to go. Okay, so we're gonna close it, and then if you can see down here, we're gonna turn it on, and then I'm gonna hit auto, and you'll see it pop up here. It's gonna go for 6 hours. And I'll show you what it looks like. There is a bit of residual that's left on the sides afterwards. Per the manual, it says that it doesn't really affect it and you don't have to clean it out. It's okay, it'll still function fine. But there's also there's a clean function as well. So you fill it up with 1/3 cup of water, and then you run the machine for 30 minutes and it kind of cleans everything up again. So I'll see you in 6 hours. Okay, it's been 6 hours, so let's take a look. Okay, hopefully you can kind of see in there, but let me show you. It really just looks like dirt. And there were a lot, I mean, you saw it was full to the brim with onions and all kinds of other things, and now it's just dirt. So I would say definitely impressed. And I've used it a couple times. It's really working well. Even if you can't get all of the particles scraped off of the sides, there's a little residual, but it still works fine, and you can clean it out if you need to. So I'm gonna go put this in the plants. Okay, so now we are going to sprinkle this dirt into the plants, and they will have a nice nourishing dirt that is really nutrient rich and is going to help them grow in a natural way without having to use fertilizers and things like that. If you're wondering what's behind me, this is called Malabar spinach. It is a heat-resistant spinach that you can grow in the summer, and it vines. So it's really something that I'm a big fan of. We've also got rosemary and mint over there. So final review, I think that this composter was absolutely worth the money. Just the amount of space that it's going to save in our garbage can, and I really like that we're not having to put chemicals in our plants, and that we're able to recycle. So hope this was helpful. Have a good day. And just to show you one final thing, look how clean it is afterwards. There have been a couple times where I've done this and there have been things caked on the side, but after a couple cycles, it really still looks pretty nice. So, all right, thanks for watching. Bye.